If you've been trying to sign into your Hotmail or Outlook account and it keeps asking for a verification code you can't find, don't worry. In this video, I'll show you the fastest and simplest way to get your Hotmail email verification code. Whether you're recovering your account, securing it, or logging in from a new device, follow along because this guide works for everyone. Let's get started. First, open your browser and head to the Outlook login page. You can simply search for Outlook login or go through the Microsoft 365 site. Once you're on the home page, click the sign in button and enter your Hotmail or Outlook email address like you normally would. After you log in, look at the top right corner of the screen. You should see your profile picture or your initials. Click on that and a small menu will appear. From there, select security. This is where all your account protection settings are located. Once you're inside the security dashboard, scroll until you find the two-step verification section. This is the feature that allows your account to send you a verification code whenever you sign in. Click the option that lets you receive a code via email. As soon as you select this, Microsoft immediately sends a one-time security code to your registered email address. Now open your inbox in another tab. The email normally arrives in just a few seconds. If you don't see it, make sure to check your spam, junk, or even other folder. Sometimes it gets filtered there. When the code arrives, open the message and copy the verification code. Finally, go back to the verification page and paste or type in the code. Once you confirm it, your sign-in or security setup continues normally and you're good to go. And that's it. This is the most reliable way to get your Hotmail verification code instantly. If this tutorial helped you out, make sure to like the video, drop a comment if you have any questions, and subscribe for more simple step-by-step tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.